to use a limit. So this is a simple brief. So in this brief, I have to submit the top 3 usernames, the family names, emails, and sort them by the family in a descending order, then by the emails. And should also make sure there's no duplicate as well. So you start by picking up all the columns you want. So first of all, you want no duplicate, so we need to use the distance. So what are the columns we want? We want the user given names, we want their family names, we also want their emails. And we're picking it from the users table. I want to sort it by the family names in a descending order. Then we also sort it by the emails, also in a descending order. And now we also want the top 3. So this way you use the limit. So I go to keywords and I want the limit. So I close my query and submit my result. So that's it.